The COVID-19 pandemic has created a challenge for the not only for the people of Uttarakhand but also for the government machinery in Uttarakhand. But we at NIC we have converted or migrated this challenge into an opportunity to push forward certain activities which can help the management of the disease. We have broadly focused our activities on three fronts. One is development of different kinds of portals to manage the epidemic in its various roles. For example, we have done around 9 to 10 portals for monitoring the quarantine patients, to have the hotspots of cases which are happening throughout the state, and we have also enabled the GIS platform over this data so as to give a visual representation. This has been done for the Department of Disaster Management. Similarly, we have also built different portals for volunteer force, youth force portal, plus Honorable CM Saab launched the CM Relief Fund portal as well as the Hope portal, which is for helping out people everywhere so as to create employment opportunities for migrant labor who are returning back to Uttarakhand. Second component where we are trying to focus is that to eliminate the physical movement of files which happen within the government office. So we are now closely working in coordination with the government of Uttarakhand to implement e-office in all offices of Uttarakhand as well as in e-cabinets and e-meetings. Third component what we are stressing is the improved role of video conferencing sessions throughout the all the offices so as to maintain social distancing and eliminate the manual intervention of people. So this has led to a huge scope for improving the COVID control systems in Uttarakhand, and we are hopeful that in the continuing period also the services of NIC will be available to fulfill the other requirements of the government of Uttarakhand. Thank you.
लॉकडाउन अवधि में विजिटर्स द्वारा सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन किया जाए, इसके लिए उत्तराखंड के सभी जेलों में ई मुलाकात एप्लीकेशन तो शुरू किया गया, जिसके अंतर्गत लगभग 3000 मुलाकातें हो चुकी हैं। इसके अतिरिक्त समय समय पर NIC के DIOs, ADIOs को वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के माध्यम से मीटिंग और ट्रेनिंग दी जा रही हैं, जो कि फर्दर जिला प्रशासन को फुल ICT सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। और भारत सरकार के रैपिड एंटीबॉडी टेस्ट के लिए शुरू किए गए पोर्टल में सैंपल कलेक्शन सेंटर्स और सैंपल कलेक्टर्स को भी प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग NIC व जनपद स्तरीय अधिकारियों के माध्यम से दी गई है, जो कि सुचारू रूप से कार्य कर रहे हैं।
कोविड-19 महामारी के दौरान उत्तराखंड सरकार का मेन फोकस दो चीज़ों पर रहा, एक तो DBT और दूसरा माइग्रेंट जो विश्व के कोनों से और भारत के अन्य जिलों से उत्तराखंड में आ रहे थे। DBT पोर्टल की सहायता से उत्तराखंड सरकार ने 700 करोड़ से ज़्यादा 30 लाख से ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियरी के खातों में पैसा ट्रांसफ़र किया और माइग्रेंट और बेरोजगार युवकों के लिए माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने 13 मई को होप पोर्टल और मोबाइल ऐप का शुभारंभ किया। इस पोर्टल पर कोई भी माइग्रेंट और बेरोजगार युवक रजिस्टर कर सकता है, एम्प्लॉयर भी इसमें रजिस्टर कर सकता है, जिससे वो अपनी वैकेंसी को इसमें पब्लिश कर सके। इसमें बल्क SMS की फैसिलिटी भी है।
contain the spread of coronavirus, NIC started telemedicine services in the state of Uttarakhand. Also, a software has been prepared to monitor health of the people up to the grassroots levels, which is being captured through 900 fever clinics which are situated up to block level, and through ASHA workers who are going door to door at village level. During this period, when distress was going on among the people, for distributing food grains, NIC had sent SMS messages to the people and also generated advance allocations of food grains and free distribution of the food grain being given by the Government of India and state government. Also, NIC prepared a software for token management during the procurement of food grains at different places across the state of Uttarakhand.
During current COVID-19 cases, network group is able to maintain 100% uptime. Video conference services is the most extensively used network services during this period. About 1,000 number of VC sessions are conducted during this period. Training has also been provided to various state and central government departments on software-based desktop VC. Guidance to different government departments for setting up of their own network and VC setup has also been provided. Approximately 500 email IDs have been created for e-office users in this period. Attended online training on SD-WAN, WebEx and video conducted by NIC headquarters. On 10 June, Honorable Prime Minister of India monitored online construction work at Kedarnath using drone setup through VC.
स्कूल एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट उत्तराखंड के लिए एक पोर्टल तैयार किया गया है जिसके द्वारा कोई भी टीचर अपने यूजर क्रीडेंशियल्स यूज करके उसमें ई कंटेंट्स अपलोड किया जा सकता है, जो कि उसके द्वारा खुद ही जनरेट किए गए होंगे, चाहे वो PDF या MP4 फॉर्मेट में वो अपलोड कर सकता है। और उस कंटेंट को स्टेट लेवल पर मॉडरेट करने के बाद उसको पब्लिक डोमेन में डाल दिया जाता है, जो कि कोई भी स्टूडेंट द्वारा उसको देखा जा सकता है। तो अभी तक करीब 3000 ई कंटेंट्स अपलोड किए जा चुके हैं और साथ ही 80,000 स्टूडेंट्स इसको देख चुके हैं। साथ ही इसमें यह भी सुविधा है कि कोई भी स्टूडेंट अपना क्वेश्चन, कोई भी टॉपिक वाइज अपना क्वेश्चन रेज कर सकता है और जिसको टीचर द्वारा आंसर किया जाएगा और वह भी फिर पब्लिक डोमेन में उपलब्ध हो जाता है। इसके अलावा एक और प्रोजेक्ट किया गया है ट्रांसपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट उत्तराखंड के लिए, जिसमें कि एक डेटा बैंक तैयार किया जा रहा है, जो कि जितने भी व्यावसायिक वाहनों के चालक हैं उनको आर्थिक सहायता प्रदान करने का उद्देश्य है, लेकिन अभी इस पे सरकार द्वारा निर्णय लिया जाना है। तो इस पोर्टल के द्वारा जितने भी व्यावसायिक वाहन के चालक हैं उनको रजिस्टर किया जाएगा। इस पोर्टल को भी वाहन और सारथी पोर्टल से इंटीग्रेट किया गया है वेब सर्विसेज के थ्रू, और ऐसा अनुमान है कि करीब 1.5 लाख इसमें
Lockdown period, myself and my team, Ankush and Amit, developed a GIS-based COVID-19 portal to monitor day-to-day changing situation of contaminants on COVID hospitals, positive cases, negative cases, active cases, quarantine center, police relief camp, other relief camp, casualty interest, and various and many other information related to state government for administrative purpose. We have mapped this all information in GIS platform with the help of NIC headquarter, GIS division. This portal was developed for Uttarakhand State Disaster Management Authority, led by HEO and headed by Chief Secretary as a CEO.
I'm showing you these three applications one by one. My first application is COVID-19 CSO-up.gov.in. In this application, we have given an online portal to citizen to voluntarily register themselves as an individual, NGO, or a society. With the simple registration process, by giving his mobile number and some details, he can register himself as a volunteer. In future, his mobile number will be registered, and by OTP facility, he can log into our website. In this website, he will give the service category by which he want to provide his services, like he's a nurse, he's a paramedical staff, doctor, etc. Again, he can give the district where he would like to give his services, and the commodities he want to provide, like atta, rice, pulse, sugar, etc. In this website, we have given different type of logins, administrative logins and district level logins, so that these volunteers and the distribution of the commodities may be managed by the administration. Again, in this website, I have developed another application which provide a facility to movement of patients from COVID-19 hospitals to nearby private hospitals. The basic idea of this website is that suppose some government hospital have been converted into COVID-19 hospitals, and the patient of other disease like heart, eyes, gyna problem will be shifted to nearby hospitals. The entire process of this hospital or patient movements, hospital registrations, and availability of hospitals, and the bad availability in the hospitals, hospital registrations are made available online, and in that process have been computerized. My third application is developed for Yuva Kalyan and Prantiya Rakshak Dal. Actually, the Yuva Kalyan department have more than 1,80,000 PRDs and other volunteers. They want to provide their services in different districts and at state level. So we have created a website so that Yuva Kalyan department can register themselves by entering their volunteers, as well as we have given an online facilities to their volunteers so that they can also register himself and log in by himself to give his area of interest. We have created different logins for the different levels, like state level, district level, so that these volunteers may be managed as per their area of interest and as per their willingness to serve.
During the COVID-19 period, an IC training unit at LBSNA Mussoorie imparted online ICT training to the IAS officer trainees of the 2019 batch. The NIC training unit at LBSNA Mussoorie also prepared online ICT content for the Pre-Common Foundation course to be offered through DOPT's iGOT 2.0 portal to the successful candidates of UPSC Civil Services Examination before they join LBSNA Mussoorie.